Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY GoPro selfie stick. So you want to use a 1/2-inch pipe and mark that at 2.5 feet. Then we're going to cut that with a hacksaw. Once you have that cut, then you're going to want to sand it down. So then use a 732 drill bit and drill a hole in one of the end caps. Make sure that's a clean hole. Then you get your 1/4 inch bolt and a small washer. And you're gonna put some silicone on that to make the whole thing watertight. And some silicone on the cap. So then put that into the hole and tighten that, and then put a nut on top. Tighten everything there. Once it's all tight, it should look something like this. So then you want to add your PVC Concrete and Primer first, and then the concrete after, and do this on both ends, and this is going to make the whole thing completely watertight. So let that sit for a couple hours. After that, you can add your GoPro tripod mount on top to be able to attach your GoPro to it. You can attach your GoPro now, and here's some underwater shots I took with it. And as an added bonus, it floats. So if you drop it in the ocean, it'll stay floating. Thanks for watching everyone. Please leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.